Hey, so what's going on, people? Working on 2002 Rodeo where the key is getting stuck in the ignition. So looking at this, and basically you can see there's a lot of grease in there, but that's not the issue. I mean, it could be if it's all gummed up, but there's plenty of grease in there. What you find is the key doesn't return. Okay, and what you have is this lever, this plastic white lever that is supposed to return. So when you push the button, it's supposed to release that, and for the most part it won't return right. Okay, now what I did was I greased it up with all the extra grease, and it's already working. You can see that. But I found the real problem. The real problem is that chrome little clip at the bottom that basically is loose. The screw's coming out of it, and it doesn't return the plastic lever properly. So what we're going to do is tighten that up, and all our problems are going to go away. Basically what you got to do is take a bunch of screws out, loosen up your column covers, and you'll see there's a bunch of screws that you'll need to take out. It's pretty simple. There's two here for the hood release. There's one in the corner there at the bottom of this panel, and let's get to it. And as far as connector wise, when you pull off this bottom thing, you got to get that through here with the two screw holes, shove it through there, and unplug your light switch and whatever, and you should be good to go with the bottom cover. So you can see you hit the button and nothing. Okay, but you see that piece in the back is what holds everything solid, so we're going to tighten that up. Screw that in tight. All right, tight. And let's see what we got. Foot on the brake. Okay, it's the way it should be, stuck. Go forward, hit the button, foot on the brake. We got full travel. No stupidness. Okay. Oh, look at that, right out. No issue. Alright. Turn it off. Perfect. Push the button, full travel. You're good to go. Like I said, I spreaded the grease around back there too. Just started working after I greased that up a little more. But ultimately was that bracket in the back. And that's it. Good to go. Have a good one.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more of these repair videos on these trucks, let me know. Drop me a comment.